Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to another round number 4 out of 5 planned for the stream, where I try to improve in the hard and difficult art of programming. I split my sessions into, well, sessions or a round into 2 parts. Each has a time limit, which I more or less honor. And that is 5 minutes of typing exercise, because I want to type faster and better, and 35 minutes of going through some tutorial, making an application program. We are building a food advisor for, right now the application in Java, Spring. The front end will be in Angular, most likely. Right now we don't have much. We show something. We save things into the database. Yeah, that's about it. So let's get into it, shall we? Screenshot of someone falling off the roof. That should be the next emote. Falling from the roof. Okay. Bum bum bum. Where did I? Oh, here. I know I run out of the time, but I will finish it anyway. Yeah, thank you for coming, Wolves. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Well, the delay is so great that you are probably already away. Happens. Oh wow, there's like half a minute delay. That's bad. Oh, you read it! You read it! Yay! Bye-bye. Oh, today's a Sunday, right? This is so long, listen. $5:36, okay. Okay, so that concludes the typing session, and we move forward to this doesn't insert anything. Oh yeah, so I did restart it, right? So we will run it again. There was some three inserts. Here, just warning. Okay, so it's not there, so we'll try the ID put in there as well. The name, so the one, and I'll try to run it again, and we'll see. What about now? Still nothing. Okay. You won't see it in console insert from the only from. Why not? I don't understand. Why I should see it only from JPA? If I'm inserting it into the table, why I shouldn't see it in the table? This is confused. Look, if you have a hard time decipher it. Okay, so here is the Spring Boot console, right? But I'll try to run this. Here it also shows only 3 things. When you insert some data, it won't log in Spring Boot console. Like, okay, cool, but still, I don't have it. I don't have it in the table, right? So it's not inserting anything. Let's have a look at the tutorial. It should be in database, yeah. I like ingredient. Down. Okay, another thing which comes to my mind is to disable those things. I will not save it. Oh, come on. I will not save it. And the Amigos code. I will not save it here neither. I
That will not do shit, but I will try it anyway. Tutorial, okay, so in tutorial it's country, what, and values, and I have insert into table name, insert into table name, then what, values. It doesn't like even provide some like error or anything. Let's see. Spring, Tomcat, starting service, servlet. The ORM, that's something which kind of converts to the object to the database, right? To something which object relational management, is that maybe? Yeah, okay. This is it. Sure. Okay. Okay, now it doesn't have anything, which is, yeah, it should be, because I'm not inserting in the other places, right? Where is it? I commented this guy over here. And this guy over here. Rerun it again. I'll have just values which I had before. Right. maybe it is something in the... Connecting. This is the only thing. Show SQL. Okay. I don't know what this does. Oh, it's Hibernate. Hibernate. Maybe that's why. Try. Rerun it. Oh, that's okay. So maybe now it works. Oh, but it shows the SQL. Oh, that's just like, yeah, splits it into multiple lines. Normally it looks like this. I'm so hungry. I will have a look if I have something to, you know, to grab real quickly. I don't know, I'm just trying shit. Hey, Vines, thank you for the raid. Hey, yo, how are you doing? How was your stream? Let me. Oh fuck! I reset the time. No, that's not what I wanted. Well, anyways. Hacking on the code for half of the day. That sounds good. Oh. I'm building an application in Spring, Java, Spring. It will be like diet or shopping advisor. Maybe. If I will ever finish it. But let me. Why I cannot? Oh, here it is. Let me check your channel. So you code, right? Oh, there's a code. That looks sweet. Follow. I will check you later. Well, so welcome to the channel, everybody. Let me just give you the spiel here. I'm trying to learn code, and yeah. So oh, you go into the office, Transtars. Okay. Well, thank you for coming. Bye bye. Yeah. Yeah. So I do split my learnings into rounds. Now we are doing round number 4, and each round consists of 5 minutes of typing exercise and trying to type faster, better, stronger. And then I do some coding exercise, going through some tutorial for 35 minutes, and that's how I roll. And yeah, okay. So I forgot which time is that. Normally I accidentally reset it this time, so I will give it more, like 10 more minutes or so, and then we will do the redeems. This side idea where you show recipes based on the diet you follow. That sounds good. That sounds good. It basically should be something similar to it. Yeah. It's basically one of my friends kind of had a use case for that, so and me too in a way. So I like the idea that while I'm learning, I might produce something which would be useful for someone. So I went with that. Okay, and right now we don't know why it doesn't take this in, but
we did spend a good amount of time on it, and we have another ways how to do it, right? We are able to do it from the command line runner. So we will not worry about it. We will not worry about it at all. Oh god, I was so hungry. Sorry, everyone just came. But I'm starving. I forgot to eat. Which happens to me a lot. Okay. Since I kind of fucked up my timer in here, I wrote my own application for the timer, so I can use that, hey? Timer, new window. Now we'll run it. Hey, you see, I wrote it. And we want 10 minutes, right? 10 minutes, go, start. Here we go. I'll put it in here. It's useful. Okay. Going to duck out, need to eat. I'm starting to. Yeah. Thank you for the rate. Why and I'm sorry. Like, it is my third language, English. So I kind of suck at it. Why? Why? I'm sorry. Why? Okay, so I say, fuck that, and we will proceed to the next thing. What is the next thing? I don't know what is the next thing. Okay, so we will consult our... Okay, so this doesn't work. So we are able to pre-populate that. So now I want... we want... Oh, come on, that's not what I meant. This is what I meant. So we want... I kind of did it already, so that will be okay. I want post update. Yeah, so we have a post. So endpoints, and we want post one. Yeah. Get one. Get all. What else? Oh, right now I will be assessing it like this, right here. The application is running in the background, and if I do it doesn't do anything because I forgot how I named my endpoints. So controller, and we have a beautiful mappings like WTF and test and populate. I guess you can, yeah, yeah, that happened. That did happen. So hungry. So we will just get all from the database.
one. We will specify the ID. I'm going to query for it. Right, so get one, get all. That will be the first thing we will do. Get all will be the first one, which we will do. Get one, post one, update. Delete. Yeah, those things I want. All right. So, well, let's do that. So we'll have a get all. So I'll create this here. Get mapping. This will be public. It will be a list of the ingredients. So I say all or oh, I have it here already. Okay. So, but I don't have the mapping written here. The path. Path will be equal all. Oh, hold on. I can do just this. All, and that will work too. So I'll restart the application. It's running. Okay, so we will have a look at the front end. And now when I restart, look at that. Look at that. Excuse me. So that works. Done. Get one. That might be a little bit more difficult. One, this will be return ingredient service dot get it's not written there yet, so get ID so what's the problem here? This one I can understand. Oh, come on. This one I can understand because not rename reference. I want create it. Okay. So we go to the ingredient service and we have a get all. So we'll create get by ID or something. Public ingredient get by ID. So unrelated problem. Oh yeah, it should get long ID, right? And then in the ingredient repository we say get one ID like so, and we will return it like so. Beautiful. Unrelated problem, huh? Where's the problem? It's here, right? And it should be something like request param. Request mapping, request param. will say name. No, it will be I don't know how to do it. Let's see how he did it.
Can do is remember we had.
And I don't have to look into this bullshit. I can do Amigo. Holy fuck, where it was? I don't know. So we'll open. That's that. It's called Spring Boot. Okay, cool. But fuck. Hey, Panther, how are you? How are you? Thank you for the for hosting. It's nice of you. How have you been doing? Why did what? Open. This is what I want. Okay. New window. And we will have a look at his endpoints, right? So we do in the controller. And now he has this. Student ID. Okay, so path variable. And this concludes this round number 4. Okay, so working with this. Yeah, and stop recording.